Hello guys, hello, my name is Yelena, welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick idea for decorating cake for Christmas. So here's cake I covered with coconut on the sides and a little over the edge. And the top I'm just gonna score like this with the spatula on top. Just like that. And then I have already pre-colored three colors, so green, red and yellow. That will draw the quick poinsettia on top, okay? And as usual, I don't use any tips. So we're gonna cut the tip of the bag in an angle. Just like that. So that will look like, see, like a little corner. Like that. Okay, and the same way will be for the green bag. That's I already cut. And the yellow one, just to snap the end of the bag, no extra special cuts. All right, so let's decorate our cake, and I promise you I'm not gonna cut or speed up, and it will take us less than 5 minutes. All right, so I'll start on the leaves. And you start them in the size of the flower that you want. And I'm gonna do a couple poinsettias, so I'll do another one. And this one will be just a slight smaller. All right. Now I'll do red. And red, I like to go between the green leaves first. See, like that. Let's close up so you guys can see. See, so between the green. All right. Just like that. And then we'll do second layer. We'll go between the red now. See? So that will make them kind of fluffy. And as you leave the petal at the end, try to kind of bring it up so they don't look too flat. All right, and then let's pipe the yellow dots for the middle part. Just like that. And the second one. All right, now I have this pearlized sugar crystals. And I'm gonna sprinkle some on top. That looks like a little snow crystals to me. Make it look pretty. Just like that. And then I have this edible glitter dust. And I'll sprinkle some of that on top. Makes it nice and sparkly and Christmassy. Alright, so here's already finished cake. I hope you enjoyed this quick little video. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Love you so much.